Tea. It's more than just a beverage. It's a tradition, a comfort, and a connection to nature's simplicity. But have you ever wondered how those tiny leaves transform into the flavorful drink in your cup? Let's explore the fascinating journey of tea from leaf to cup. It all begins on the lush green hills of tea gardens, often perched in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. The tea plant, Camellia sinensis, thrives in these climates, with its tender leaves absorbing the unique characteristics of the soil, weather, and altitude. Tea picking is a meticulous process. The youngest, freshest leaves and buds are plucked by hand, often by skilled workers who ensure only the finest parts of the plant are harvested. This care is essential for creating high-quality tea. Once the leaves are harvested, their journey to becoming tea begins. The first step is withering, where the freshly plucked leaves are spread out to dry. This process reduces their moisture content, making them soft and pliable. Withering is key to unlocking the leaves' natural flavors and preparing them for the next stage. Next comes rolling, a step that helps shape the tea leaves and release their essential oils. Traditionally, this was done by hand, but today, machines often take on the task. The rolling process bruises the leaves, triggering a chemical reaction that's essential for developing the tea's flavor profile. From here, the path diverges depending on the type of tea being made. For black tea, the leaves undergo oxidation, a process where enzymes in the leaves react with oxygen, darkening their color and intensifying their flavor. In contrast, green tea skips oxidation entirely. Instead, the leaves are quickly heated, either steamed or pan-fired, to preserve their bright, fresh taste. Oolong tea strikes a balance, with partial oxidation creating a unique flavor that's somewhere between black and green tea. Once the desired oxidation level is achieved, the leaves are dried or fired to halt the process and lock in their flavor. This drying stage also ensures the tea can be stored for long periods without spoiling. At this point, the leaves are sorted, graded, and packaged according to size and quality. For some teas, the journey continues with blending. Teas can be combined with spices, herbs, or flowers like jasmine, bergamot, or chamomile to create special flavors and aromas. This is where creativity meets tradition, producing blends that suit every palate. Finally, the tea is ready to reach your cup. Whether it's loose leaf or in a tea bag, every brew carries the history of its journey from the garden. With boiling water, the leaves release their essence, filling your cup with warmth, aroma, and flavor. And there you have it, the remarkable process of making tea from leaf to cup. Every sip is a connection to the dedication of farmers, the artistry of tea makers, and the beauty of nature. So the next time you enjoy a cup of tea, take a moment to savor the story it tells. Cheers to the timeless art of tea making.